In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC name in Washington. First, you need to check if your new LLC name is available by searching it in the Washington Business Search. Make sure no other business is using a similar name. Then, if you're not filing right away, you can reserve the name with a name reservation form, but this part is optional. Next, go to the Washington Secretary of State's website and file an amended certificate of formation to officially change your LLC name. You'll enter your UBI number, your current name, and the new name you want. You need to pay $30 for the amendment or an extra $50 if you want expedited processing. After it's approved, update your internal documents, like your operating agreement, contracts, invoices, and anything that lists your old LLC name. Then notify all the agencies that need the new name, including the Department of Revenue, Labor and Industries, Employment Security Department, and any state where you're foreign registered. Also, let your bank, vendors, and partners know. You also need to notify the IRS using the form that matches how your LLC is taxed, but you do not need a new EIN for a name change. Finally, update all your branding, including your website, social profiles, signage, and business cards. You'll need to bring the state-approved amendment or a certificate of amendment when updating your bank accounts and merchant services. A name change does not affect your registered agent or your registered office address. Keep in mind that online filings are fastest. Mail filings can take several weeks unless you pay the extra $50 expedited fee. So that's all. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.